Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and English. As you all know that we are learning conjunction and yesterday we have completed all coordinating conjunction. So today we are going to learn correlative conjunction. This is the second type of conjunction. First we will understand correlative conjunction. Then we will try to understand the uses of either or, neither nor and whether or. Basically, the aim of this video is to clear your confusion about either or, neither nor or whether or. What are correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunctions are pairs of some words which connects two sentences, phrases or words together. So in these conjunctions we can see the pair of words and we can identify these conjunctions with the help of these words like either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or, etc. These all are correlative conjunctions. These pair of words connect two or more sentences. Let's try to understand the use of either or. We use either or to show choices between two things. We use it in affirmative or positive sentences. Either or used in positive sentences. Let's try to understand with the help of examples of either or. Examples are either I or you know about him. Here you can see this is positive sentence and either or is connective to sentences or to persons. Next is you can either play or sleep now. This sentence is also showing about us choices between two things or between two activities, and this is also a positive sentence and either or is connecting these sentences as a conjunction. Our third example is I either have books or magazines. Similarly, this sentence is also showing about choices between two things, books or magazines, and this is a positive sentence as well. I hope you understand the use of either or. Now let's come to the use of neither nor. Use of neither nor. We use neither nor to connect two or more negative alternatives in which of both things are untrue. We don't choose anything. So in the situation of neither nor, sentence will be in negative form and we do not choose any of the thing between two things. Both the situation will be untrue. We can understand it with the help of examples. Our first example is neither he called me nor came to meet me. So this is not positive sentence, this is negative sentence and both the situations are untrue or we are not choosing any situation. Next is neither she likes ice cream nor chocolates. In this sentence, she doesn't choose anything and this is negative sentence. And come to the next. Neither I play football nor badminton. So in this sentence, I don't prefer any of the game. I don't choose here any situation, neither football nor badminton. And you can see this is also a. Our next conjunction is whether or. We use whether when we are not sure about something or we have doubt about something. Whether is used when someone does not know which of the two possibilities is true. So in the situation of whether we are not sure about anything. Let's try to understand with the help of examples. Here are some examples of whether. Our first example is I don't know whether she is in the class or out of the class. So here we are not sure about anything. Next is he doesn't know whether she likes dessert or not. Similarly in this sentence we don't know about she likes dessert or not. Next is I asked her whether she is going Kerala or not. So here in all these sentences we don't know about anything. We are not sure about the situation. So we can use whether here. It was all about our three conjunctions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.